Hello guys, welcome to YouTube. Today we will explore some advanced tricks with the DuckDuckGo search engine. So before the tutorial, I am going to make a further discussion, then we will show you some cool features you should know. Google is by far the most popular search engine. With all the necessary features we may need, however, it has a huge disadvantage. It tracks every single thing about us, our searches, our favorite restaurants, and our darkest hopes and dreams. If you prefer a search engine that respects your privacy, then DuckDuckGo is the way to go. And you may be surprised with the tricks it has up its sleeves. Why choose DuckDuckGo? The most obvious reason to leave Google search engine is the privacy concerns. All the way Google can track your history, personal information, data, and so on. For some users, it may not be a big problem, but there are plenty of others that put their privacy as their highest priority. The best way to keep your searches private is to switch your default search engine. And since other big names like Bing, Yahoo, etc. are tracking our searches as well, our best bet at the moment is the underdog, that is DuckDuckGo. Just because it is not so popular though, it doesn't mean that DuckDuckGo lacks in features and effectiveness. On the contrary, it is a great Google alternative with an impressive number of tricks and search settings. In fact, some of them are unique and we wouldn't even find them in Google search engine. So guys, enough talking, let's start with this tutorial. So our first trick is bang. To search on specific sites using the address bar, you can search a website on other search engines too, but you will have to set it manually. Here all you need to do is use an exclamation mark on the address bar followed by the supported bang you wish to search and your desired keyword. For example, with this key phrase, that is exclamation mark YT, and press SONG and hit enter. It will search on YouTube search engine, that is search query song, and you will see lots of songs. So also you can search from the wiki, that is wiki, and press the keyword you wish to search like HTTP and press enter. So you can see we have this wiki, that is hypertext transfer protocol. We can search from the other search engine, that is Wikipedia. Okay, this is our main feature of the bang. So if I go to the duckduckgo.com and pressing slash then ABANG and hit enter, you can see right now we have 11,414 banks and counting right now. Okay, our second feature is answers. Like Google, DuckDuckGo uses features to provide, that is solutions to our searches without the need to click on a particular result. Once we submit a search, DuckDuckGo will search on more than 100 known sources to provide us with the correct answer. The answer will be displayed the rest of the results in a gray background, and we can see the answer tab highlighted. So if I want to know what is the temperature in Kolkata or what is the time in Kolkata, so I can type what is the time in Kolkata and hit enter, and we can see the time of the Kolkata will listed here. So you can see time in Kolkata, West Bengal, India, UTC plus 0530, Tuesday, September 11th, 2018, and the time right now is 9:36 p.m. Also, we can search songs 2018 from the DuckDuckGo, and it listed our newest song in 2018, best music for your daily to listen. Lots of searches you can see. So furthermore, you can ask DuckDuckGo to show you information like zip codes, the weather information, synonyms or antonyms of a word, or that is generate a secure password. So we can type here synonyms of computer. Hit enter and it will show us the synonyms of computer from the thesaurus. So since there is no limit to what you can search, you may be surprised with the instant answers that will came up and the time you may save with these useful features. Let's say we need to get stopwatch. Hit enter and you can see the stopwatch right here and the total time and lap time. You can start the stopwatch, you can see, and you can press the lap. The first lap is this one, second lap this one, and you can stop right here and you can see the stopwatch working inside the application. Another thing, that is timer. If I type timer in a search window and press enter, it will show us the timer. If I click on this button, it will start the timer, and 57 it will stop it. Okay, and you can press another click button, that is timer 2. You can set the timer like this one, 00, and let's make it 15, or you can make it 5. For the demonstration purpose, we can hit this play button and you can see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You can see the timer is showing us that is reset. We can reset here, reset button, and it also will bring up the first timer also. You can press the reset button. Okay, so another one, that is QR code. Most of you already know about QR, or that is the full form of this is quick response code. For those not familiar with QR codes, they are machine readable images that contain information about anything we like. They are similar to barcodes, with the difference that the entire image is part of the code. If you need more information on QR codes, you can always look it up on DuckDuckGo. Cameras on smartphones can read these codes through specific applications. That way, once we scan QR code, we can read the text behind it. If it is a link, our device's browser will lead us to the data it holds. With DuckDuckGo's answer, we can generate our own QR codes for any piece of information. We just need to type QR followed by the website we wish to mark and hit enter. So if I press QR and then I will make this, that is facebook.com, and hit enter, it will show us the QR code. The QR code of that means facebook.com, and if you need to save this, you can press the view image, or you can save image inside the desktop and you can get the image here. That means it is a facebook.com. Here is another feature. In case we want to convert some text to lowercase or uppercase, we can do it with DuckDuckGo. We just need the trigger word lowercase or uppercase and the phrase we wish to convert. Like I'm typing here, so we can make it as uppercase, I love apple, and if I press or hit enter, you can see the uppercase letter is here also. Also we can make the lowercase, and if I type I love duck go and hit enter, and you can see I love DuckDuckGo, which is in a lowercase format. Also we can make capitalize also, so we can make it as, and also we can titlify our phrase with this one, title case, and use your phrase and hit enter, and you can see every word from the phrase, that is I is capital, L is capital, and D is capital also. Another cool feature about DuckDuckGo is cheat sheets. How many times have you tried to use a new program and wished you had a cheat sheet with all the available shortcuts? Next time, consider using DuckDuckGo's cheat sheet for that purpose. Type cheat sheet followed by the name of the program and you will have all the shortcuts with the tip of your browser. Let's say if you are going to get the cheat sheet of Windows operating system and hit enter, you will see general shortcuts, navigation, and if you press show more, it will list all the available commands: browser related, web browser, tab management, window management, user interface, navigation. Here all of the feature in Windows. Also you can type Linux for the cheat sheet and you will have the command for navigation inside your terminal. So here file command, SSH, installation, network, searching and sorting, process management, file permissions. Also you can type Chrome or Firefox. There is a typo, hit enter, and you can see navigation, current page, and lots of features is there. So this is the cool feature you can get in DuckDuckGo. Another cool trick is instant answers for everything. As you may have noticed, we can ask DuckDuckGo plenty much about everything and it will provide an immediate solution. For example, we could ask if our website is down and it would answer us the specific result. So if I type is quora.com down and hit enter, it will show us quora.com seems up. It took us 0 seconds to get a 301 response from this link. That is, this is our IP address of quora.com. If I click on it, open a new tab, and it will landed in a quora.com website. Similar to answer, DuckDuckGo can also provide useful information for our search queries. For example, if we type the word computer and hit search, we will notice a Wikipedia frame at the top of the result with the definition for our search. That is, if I type computer and hit enter, you can see from the Wikipedia. Also we have another thing, that is news. Google sometimes inserts some news on the top results of a search. DuckDuckGo wouldn't do that by default, but we can access the news with the relevant button. If I search for tourism and click on the news tab button, it will show us the news about tourism. You can see from here, if you scroll down little bit, you can see lots of searches on tourism news. Another thing, that is, if I go to the Google and type for anything, that is computer, and if I scroll down little bit, it shows us the page that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on, and we need to hit the 2 button for the next result. But in DuckDuckGo, if I type on computer, it doesn't show the 1 2 3 4 5 page. If you scroll down little bit, it's an Ajax function that works on it, and you have scrolling down little bit and it doesn't show us the 1 2 3 4 5 pages, and you can see the 3 pages here and so on. And last but not the least, you can set the appearance for your DuckDuckGo search engine also. You can set the theme you can use on your DuckDuckGo search engine by pressing this 3 dash button. You can say it as a menu and click on it. You can see the settings, more themes, other settings also. If you click on more things and hit on appearance, you can change the font also. You can make it as like Trebuchet MS, and font size you can make it as large or that is medium, and you can make the page width normal or wide or super wide, and center alignment you can set it as on, and background color you can choose from here. This thing you can change it little bit, and all the that is header behavior on and dynamic, on and scrolling. Header color that you can change it like red, little red, and the result title font, all of the settings you can change, and you can press the 7 and search for like computer again and hit enter, and you can see you have the settings you can change here. So you can you have the functionality to use these settings, that is more theme and other settings also. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video tutorial, and I hope you will like this video. For upcoming videos you can subscribe my channel, and thank you guys. See you next time. Good night.